Hi friends, welcome to today's 10-minute meditation for abundance. We are going to be exploring positive affirmations to help us cultivate a state that is open to receiving all that we desire. Perhaps you are in a transitionary period in your life and you are looking to let go of previously conditioned thought processes that no longer serve you. Or maybe you're in the process of manifesting and you would like to further channel your higher vibrational frequency. Whatever the occasion, I invite you to find a comfortable spot, whether it be seated, standing, lying down, and join us as we invite abundance into our sphere of existence. Offer yourself a moment to settle in, maybe closing the eyes or finding a soft gaze. Letting yourself know that it's okay to relax. It's okay to surrender to the present moment. You might like to silently repeat these affirmations to yourself, or simply appreciate the embodiment of these words. Let us begin. I am positively prosperous. I share my riches with friends, family, and community. My wealth grows exponentially. Money comes to me in abundance. I attract miracles into my life. I am a money magnet. Prosperity and wealth flow freely to me with ease. I love the relationship I have with money. Life is miraculous. I am worthy of abundance. I can tap into unlimited energy whenever I desire. I am attuned to the vibrational energy of money. I welcome checks in the mail. I am open to the receptive mode for miracle manifestation. I accept an abundance of positive and empowering thoughts into the mind. I am generous. I receive all that I desire. My finances are easy to manage. I welcome new opportunities. I succeed every day. I am exactly where I need to be. I am tuned in to the vibrational frequency of my higher self. I am abundant. I live a life of abundance. I receive infinite abundance. Life is abundant. I am a vibrational match for all that I desire. I am infinitely patient. I am aligned with the energetic frequencies of financial freedom. I am financially free. I love that prosperity comes to me with ease. I simply relax and call in all that I desire. I trust my inner guidance system. I define what success means to me. I am the creator of my own reality. I have limitless potential to manifest all that I desire. I love that I have the power to choose how I view and experience life. Everything that happens for me is a blessing. It brings me joy to spread love and empower friends, family, and community. I trust the divine blossoming of this day. I invite you to rest in this sacred space. Embodying all of the high vibrational energy that you have called in this very moment. Slowly beginning to arrive in the body. Perhaps attuning to any newfound sensations, thought processes, or energies you might be embodying. Offer yourself a moment of loving compassion for attuning yourself to a higher state of being, recognizing that you are worthy and deserving of all that you desire. I invite you to come back to this safe space whenever you would like to reconnect with your innate power, your potential to manifest miracles and abundance. When you're ready, slowly blinking the eyes open. Thank you all so much for joining this 10-minute meditation for manifesting abundance. I hope you all have a beautiful day. May you experience true peace and joy. Namaste. Thank you.